Good morning. Here it's a little rainy, a little dreary out, so we gotta take our time going to school. So definitely had an interesting night last night. As I said, you know. Oh yeah, poor Ava Jean leaving with step, and she had shoes that weren't exactly the most non-slip on our tile porch, and took a little bump on the butt. But we're tough, right? Yep, we're good. So yeah, last night I ended up getting a bunch of sauce or something on my shirts, and then fortunately I take off my one shirt. Thank God I have an undershirt underneath it. So I just wore the black t-shirt underneath. So I don't think it was that busy of a night, so it didn't make that much of a difference. Ava Jean's doing a little bit better with her sick. Aiden's still got his cough. So, oh, this old guy, look at this guy crossing the street. Not exactly the smartest idea with all this traffic. What's up, babe?
What?
Nah, an old guy. Old guy was crossing the street. And Aiden had his roller skating Boy Scout party for Christmas last night, and ended up, I guess, falling on your arm.
No, smack.
Smacked his arm on the floor, so it's a little sore. So probably later on I'll probably get him some kitty Tylenol.
Skated by myself.
You skated by yourself? That's awesome.
Scared what?
Skated. You roller skated. That's awesome. And so they had their little thing last night, so that was cool. Definitely have to check out some of the videos that my partner did, and some of the pictures and stuff. I just didn't get a chance yet. I got home last night, kind of ate and went right to bed. So,
Also, I saw.
huh?
I had my eyes open and I saw you.
Oh, you saw me?
Yeah.
Oh man, you better not have your eyes open in a few days, man. Because if you have your eyes open when Santa comes, you ain't gonna be happy. Say,
When you come in my room, I'll see you.
oh, you see me? Okay, gotcha,
You know what's missing in mommy's room?
gotcha.
So we only put
Gotcha. Obviously, kind of slightly still a cough. Kind of coming back probably from eating and having a cough. Probably, not getting sleep. It's kind of affected me a little bit. Yes, baby.
I want you to get hurt. That'll make me laugh.
What do you want me to do?
Get hurt.
Get hurt?
Yeah.
What do you want me to do to get hurt?
Yeah. Because I wanna laugh.
Okay, what do you want me to do to get hurt? Huh?
Why?
No, what do you want me to do? Okay, ha 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 ha. I know you said you want me to get hurt, you said.
Yeah.
And I said, what do you want me to do to hurt myself? Bang my head on the steering wheel? Can't do that while driving in the rain. That would be a very, very bad thing. We would get in a car accident. So, let's see, what can I do? I can hit myself in the head right here. Okay, ready? Hey, what's that up there? Oh! Oh, man. I thought my hand was up. Woo! Ow. Man, you guys ever do that before? Have your hand sitting there and you turn and you punch yourself right in the head. Woo! Ah! Again? Huh? Ah! Oh. I don't want to talk like Stitch. I don't want to. I am?
You are Stitch.
I am not Stitch. I do not have blue fur.
Yes, you do. You want to know who you are?
Who am I?
You're talking like Stitch.
I am?
Yes.
This is my normal voice.
Yeah, because you are Stitch.
I'm not Stitch.
What?
But I'm very hungry. I would love some coconut cakes and coffee.
Maybe since you want to do the bud dance.
The what dance?
The bud dance.
The butt dance.
Maybe said that. No, I didn't.
don't know what that is. Right there.
You shake your butt.
Oh, shake my little butt then. Shake my butt, shake my booty, shake my booty. Oh, okay. Alright, folks, well, on my way home, had to go put Aiden's one Christmas gift together. We got him a scooter go-kart, so it's like a hoverboard scooter go-kart kind of dealie. So I had to go put that together and get it all up and ready to charge, so that when, you know, Christmas time comes, it's all ready to go. Definitely not the best instructions on this guy. Telling me there's screws that need to be screwed in, but the screws are already on there, but I need to unscrew them to put other parts on. So, and then trying to figure out the whole where it sits down and hoverboard part of it didn't really make too much sense to me, because it's pretty much it's being held to the frame by Velcro straps, which doesn't exactly seem like a sturdy little thing to me. But I mean, maybe I just don't understand the whole concept behind it. Don't know. But on my way home now. Do some more Christmas stuff, because partner got some stuff done, but didn't get other stuff done, so I was figuring out some of that stuff caught up, and then go to pick up the kids, and we'll spend the rest of see what we're gonna do the rest of the day. Hope you guys have been having a good day. As I said, it is still dreary out here, raining. Hope you guys are having a super fantastic day today. And I guess I'll probably see you guys in a little bit. All right, everybody. Well, off to get the kids. Obviously, it is still quite dark and dreary out. So I'm gonna get down there, pick them up, and we're gonna come home, eat a little dinner, see if maybe they wanted some fettuccine. And we had fettuccine the other night, so see if they want some of that. And we got dance and karate, and then home to get it ready for the next day of school and everything like that. Unfortunately, I heard once again bad news. Another good friend of ours down here, whose father has been in the hospital for quite a while now, passed this morning. So my heart definitely goes out to her. And I told her anything she needs, she let us know. We will be there. We will help her in whatever way she has. She's been friends with my partner, since she moved down here, and they have their own daughter who's I'm sure devastated by this, that her grandfather's died. Definitely my heart goes out to them, and definitely we're going to try to do whatever we can for them, give them some solace and some, whatever we can for them. But I will see you guys later on tonight, man. Bye. All right, everybody. Well, hope the rest of your night was good. About to go to bed. Totally and I would lay with him tonight because he's really not feeling good still. Still has the cough. So hope you guys all had a really good super nights. I'll post some of those balloon videos and pictures so you guys can all see the balloon festival we went to quite a few weeks ago. But hope you guys all have a super night, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Okay, so we're at our town's balloon festival, so we're meeting. We're gonna scoop some things out. We're gonna see what's around, see what we can find, and then later on we got the balloon glow, which you guys will all get to see that. Yeah, it's 50 miles away. So kind of taking a little walk right now. Me and him, we're gonna see what we can find. All right, well, we scoped everything out, and obviously you can hear the band, which is pretty loud. Found some of the stuff. Got some sausages and some chickens on a stick and some fried bologna sandwiches and cheesesteaks and bloomin' onions and pulled pork sandwiches and cheesesteaks and cheese cones and lemonade, and God almighty, there's a lot of things. So we're gonna take our walk back, and we're gonna see where everybody else is and see if we want a snack or something.
Rocky Land come up, and I'm gonna talk a little bit about Rocky.
That is awesome.